Ever wonder where your money keeps disappearing? Small, unnoticed expenses, what we call money leaks, are silently draining your bank account. These leaks are easy to miss, but they add up fast, leaving you with less than you deserve. In this video, we'll show you 8 simple and actionable ways to plug those leaks right now without overhauling your lifestyle. Whether it's subscriptions, bills, or impulse buys, we've got you covered. Stick with us till the end to reclaim your cash and finally stop the constant drain on your savings. Ready to fix your money leaks? Let's dive in. 1. Audit your subscriptions. Do you really remember all the subscriptions you signed up for? Most of us forget about those zombie subscriptions lurking in the background, eating up your hard-earned money. Streaming services, gym memberships, or apps you haven't touched in months, they all add up. Here's a simple fix. Go through your last 3 months of bank statements and make a list of subscriptions. You might be surprised by what you find. Use tools like Google Play Subscription Manager or Apple Settings to easily cancel services that you don't use anymore. It's like finding hidden cash in your own account. Don't stop at just canceling. Keep an eye on recurring charges for things like online storage or premium apps that you may have signed up for during a free trial. Many subscriptions automatically renew after the trial period ends, and by staying on top of these charges, you can save yourself from paying for services you no longer need. 2. Negotiate recurring bills. How often do you check your internet, cable, or insurance bills? If you're just paying without questioning, you could be losing a lot. Companies often have retention offers for customers who threaten to leave, so pick up the phone and ask for a better rate. Or you can let services like Rocket Money or Trim do the negotiating for you. It's simple, and it works. When you call to negotiate, be confident but polite. Mention competitor rates to give yourself leverage. Often, companies will lower your bill just to keep you from switching. Also, ask for loyalty discounts if you've been with a company for a while. They might offer you a special rate just for being a long-term customer. It's a simple way to lower your bills without changing providers. 3. Master the 72-hour rule. Impulse buying is one of the biggest money leaks out there. That new gadget, trendy clothes, or that limited time sale, it's all designed to trigger your desire to buy now. But here's the trick. Implement a 72-hour rule. Before making any non-essential purchase, wait 72 hours. If you still want it after the waiting period, go ahead and buy it. I bet a lot of the wants will turn into meh after the excitement wears off. This strategy is about controlling your immediate gratification impulses. The moment you feel the urge to buy, stop and ask yourself, do I really need this right now? Often, the excitement of the purchase fades, and after a few days, you'll realize that you didn't need it in the first place. Lastly, remind yourself of your financial goals whenever you feel tempted. Whether it's saving for a trip, buying a new car, or building an emergency fund, keeping your goals in mind can help you resist the urge to spend impulsively. Reuse cash for leak-prone categories. How often do you swipe your card for small purchases? Research shows we tend to spend 20% more when using cards versus cash because there's less pain in paying. To stop those little leaks from draining your wallet, switch to cash for categories like eating out, coffee, or hobbies. This simple move will naturally limit your spending to what's in your wallet. Using cash also helps you track exactly how much you're spending in these categories. When you run out of cash, that's a clear sign that you need to slow down. It's a visual cue that prevents you from overspending, which is harder to do when you're swiping a card and don't have an immediate sense of how much you've spent. Also, limit the number of cards you carry around. The more cards you have, the easier it is to forget about the money you're spending. Stick to one card for emergencies and keep the rest at home. 5. Unsubscribe from marketing emails. Do your inboxes get flooded with sale emails that tempt you into making purchases? These retailers are preying on your impulse buying triggers. So the next time you get an email about a limited time offer, unsubscribe. It's that simple. Remove those temptations and prevent yourself from going down the rabbit hole of unnecessary spending. Unsubscribing doesn't just save you money, it also saves your mental energy. Think about how often you've clicked on those emails only to end up browsing for things you didn't need. By removing the temptation from your inbox, you'll find yourself spending less time on retail sites, which equals less spending overall. Finally, delete saved credit card information from online stores. The easier it is to click buy now, the harder it is to resist. By making the process a bit more tedious, you'll be less likely to impulse buy during those moments of weakness. 6. Switch to high-yield accounts. Is your savings account working for you? If you're just leaving your money in a standard account, you're probably losing out on valuable interest. Moving your savings to a high-yield savings account, HYSA, can boost your interest rate from a mere 0.01% to 4.00% or more. It's one of the easiest ways to stop the leak of lost earnings. Why settle for low returns when you can grow your money faster? Many people don't realize that by keeping money in a regular savings account, they're leaving money on the table. Even small amounts of interest add up over time, and with a high-yield account, you're maximizing your returns without doing anything extra. Don't forget to check the fees associated with your current account. Many traditional banks charge monthly maintenance fees that can eat away at your earnings. Switch to accounts with no monthly fees to ensure you're not losing money that should be growing. Lastly, consider setting up automatic transfers into your high-yield account. This helps ensure that you consistently save without thinking about it, and it guarantees that your money is growing without you having to make active decisions every month. 7. Eliminate convenience fees. It's easy to overlook small fees, but they add up. ATM fees, delivery charges, service surcharges. These convenience fees are classic money leaks. To plug them, plan ahead. Use your bank's ATM to avoid fees. Pick up your online orders instead of paying for delivery, and avoid unnecessary convenience charges. Over time, these small changes will save you hundreds of dollars. Many of these charges are avoidable with just a little planning. For example, choose pickup over delivery when you shop online. Many retailers offer free in-store or curbside pickup, so why pay for delivery when you can easily grab the items yourself? In addition, research your bank's ATM network. Most banks have free ATM withdrawals at their own machines, and using another bank's ATM can result in unnecessary fees. Make it a habit to stick to your bank's network to avoid extra charges. 8. Strategic grocery shopping. The supermarket is a breeding ground for money leaks, especially if you're shopping while hungry or without a list. A simple fix? Never shop on an empty stomach, and always stick to a prepared grocery list. You'll avoid those impulse buys that can add up quickly. Also, buying store brands instead of name brands can save you 25% or more on staples. Smart shopping doesn't have to mean sacrificing quality. It's all about strategy. Another trick is to shop the sales, but only for items you know you'll actually use. You don't need to buy things just because they're on sale. Focus on stocking up on long-lasting essentials. By planning ahead, you can stock your pantry without falling victim to the sale trap. Also, use coupons and cashback apps. Many grocery stores offer digital coupons that can save you money, and cashback apps like Audit can help you get even more savings. A little effort up front can result in big savings at checkout. Lastly, buy in bulk for items that you use regularly. Not only will this save you money over time, but it will also reduce the frequency of your shopping trips, which helps you stay disciplined and avoid overspending. And there you have it, the top 8 simple ways to fix your money leaks fast. If you start plugging just a few of these leaks today, you'll see a noticeable difference in your bank balance. It's time to take control of your finances and stop those leaks from draining your cash. Like this video, if you found these tips useful, share it with a friend who needs a financial cleanup, and subscribe for more ways to save, invest, and grow your money. Let's beat the system together.